Hey there, welcome back to our channel, Tech by A Square. Today, we're going to talk about some more cybersecurity tips that can help keep your personal data safe online. So tip number 9 is, wait. If you are thinking, where are first 8 tips, then watch this video at the end. So tip number 9 is to be cautious when opening links from text messaging apps on your mobile device. These links could potentially be phishing scams or contain malware. Tip number 10 is to beware of scam phone calls. Scammers may pose as tech support or government officials and try to trick you into giving away your personal information. Always be cautious and never give out personal information over the phone unless you are certain of the caller's identity. Tip number 11 is to be sure to install IoT devices like cameras from trusted and well-known brands. These devices can also be vulnerable to hacking, so make sure to change the default login credentials and keep the device software up to date. Tip number 12 is to not store important data like credit card numbers or passwords in plain texts in mobile notes apps. If you have to, then store in a way that no robot or code can understand it and only you can decode it. Tip number 13 is to keep your laptop drives encrypted, such as with Windows BitLocker or Apple's File Vault, so that your data stays safe even if you lose your device. Tip number 14 is to hide your personal information from sharing pictures on social media. For example, a car license plate or home address can be used to trace you, which can endanger your life. Or a fancy restaurant group photo with your loved ones may include your credit card in the background, which on social media can cost you a lot. If you're planning on selling or giving away your device, then factory resetting device is not enough. Yes, you heard me right. With the latest tools and softwares, anyone can retrieve deleted photos and videos from your device memory. But as you have subscribed to Tech by A Square, this won't happen to you. Because tip number 15 is to, before selling or giving your smartphone, download or copy random songs all over your phone or device memory after performing a reset. So even if someone tries to retrieve deleted data, all he or she will find is the songs and not your personal data. Finally, tip number 16 is to back up your important files regularly. This can help protect against data loss in the event of a cyber attack or hardware failure. So there you have it, some more important cybersecurity tips to keep your personal data safe online. Which of these tips are new to you? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.